You can see the weeds is enjoying this moisture. I sowed those seeds right there. That was mullein. Weeds, weeds, weeds. Cucumbers are starting to bloom and run. You can see those right there. They're pale yellow. And the last ones I put out, they've not took off yet. The onions are doing exceptionally well this year so far. And those bulbs go all the way down to the end. You can see what I put over the blueberry bushes through the cage there. That stopped the birds. I believe that's Buck Calhoun. See how the weeds is going to have to be dealt with around the Swiss chard there. Lots of that broadleaf stuff out there that you see in the garden is beans coming up. Beans, beans, beans. Got to love them Egyptian walking onions. All right. I just wanted to come out here and walk around in the rain. Oh, Lord. See up in the woods there. Deer ought to be coming out any time. Okay, that'll be it.